Statewide priority activation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. At approximately 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, hospitals across the state of Arizona have reported many cases of an unknown virus. Symptoms of this virus include nausea, fever, headache, muscle spasms, coughing blood, vomiting blood, and possibly death. Over 7,825 people have died from this virus. As a precaution, all residents of the state of Arizona are advised to take these following actions to prevent infection. You are advised to remain in your homes with all windows and doors locked, turn off all sources of ventilation, block all cracks on doors or windows with tape or damp towels, wash your hands with soap and water for an agreeable amount of time, and avoid the infected at all costs. If you believe you or your loved ones are infected, seek medical attention immediately. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation.
Civil danger warning for the entire state of Arizona. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arizona Emergency Management. Residents of the state of Arizona, lock all of your doors immediately. At approximately 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the people that were infected with the virus, now known as the Easter virus, have suddenly transformed into rabid bunny-like creatures that have the following characteristics: sharp claws, the size of a bear, insomniac eyes, extreme speed and strength, and homicidal aggression. They attack their victims by mauling their victims, and will transmit the infection to anyone within their sight. There were reports of these creatures mauling their victims as bystanders watch in horror. Do not approach these creatures, as it will only lead you to becoming one of them. This is a very dangerous situation, and should be taken seriously. All residents of the state of Arizona are advised to seek shelter immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Stay tuned for further updates on this very dangerous situation.
An administrative message from the Arizona Emergency Management. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arizona Emergency Management. At approximately 8:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the rabid bunny-like creatures that were attacking the state of Arizona have all been taken down, and a cure for the Easter virus has been found. The danger to civilians is now over, and citizens may exit their shelters. Normal programming may now resume. The Arizona Emergency Management thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.